What's up, everybody? So I'm currently going to pick up two older gaming PCs that I purchased from someone. He had a deal. He wasn't really using them anymore. So we're gonna go see what I got for the sum of money that I paid. So once I get them in my car, get them back home, I'll show you guys what I got. So I just picked up the two computers that I purchased. One of them is a custom built gaming PC and a Cooler Master case. The other one is a Dell XPS gaming PC. So didn't pay too much for them, so that's good. I am now out at Micro Center in Overland Park to get a power cord because they did not come with power cables. So I just have to get that, and I also need to price a few things like a solid state drive and a new hard drive for them. So once I get back to the house, I'll show you guys what I got, and yeah. Alright, so far what I know is that it is a Radeon 5750 graphics card. It's an LGA 1366 ATX motherboard. It's obviously water cooled. Has a good amount of RAM. Has an 800 watt power supply, which should be good for anything that I do in the future. No hard drive. Had to go purchase a hard drive for it. Other than that, we'll see what else goes on with it. Just trying to show you. It is pretty dirty, so I'm probably going to take everything out of this case, clean it, put everything back in, get it booted up. I did go and purchase, kind of hard to tell, the 750 Evo. It's 120 gigs, solid state, but I am getting the blue power light, so we'll see what happens with the computer. I did purchase it, tested, sight unseen. He just opened it up, showed me what was in it, and I said cool, and then that was it. So we'll see what happens when I hit that power button. And here we go. Well, it hasn't caught on fire or anything yet, so I'm going to have to figure out what all the lights are, and yeah, I'm going to have to figure out what all these noises are.
Well, it's a little dirty, but
Windows 10 is installing on it. So
it should be good. I just need to clean it out once I get everything booted up and running. Well, guys,
after a couple hours of work,
the PC is alive. Still have to take time to clean it all out and do a little cable management, but
it works. So that was a good $50 I spent.
What's up, everybody? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel and watching my YouTube videos today. Before you go, please hit that subscribe button, leave me some likes, drop me some comments, and until next time, guys, have a good one.